Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the frame mockup in Photoshop. So first you want to have the layers panel open. If you don't see the layers panel, just go to Window, Layers to bring it up. And then to insert your design onto the canvas, you want to double click the thumbnail icon in the canvas layer. It'll say like design hyphen. And then once you double click that thumbnail icon, it'll open up the smart object. We're just going to copy and paste the design right into there. So we'll go to File, Open. And then once the artwork is open, we'll go to Select All, and then Edit, Copy, and we'll click back on the Smart Object file, and then go to Edit, Paste. If you want to zoom out a little, you can press Command minus on the Mac or Control minus on a PC. You may want to size your design up or down a little. To do that, go to Edit, Free Transform, and in newer versions of Photoshop, you just want to click on one of the four corners and drag it in to make it smaller or out to make it bigger. In older versions of Photoshop, you needed to hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional so it wouldn't get distorted. In newer versions, if you hold down the Shift key, it'll get distorted and you want to not hold it down to keep it proportional. It's a little confusing that Adobe changed that, so whatever you do, if you see it get distorted, just go to Edit, Undo, and then do the opposite of whatever you just did, whether that's holding down the Shift key or not holding it down. And when you're good, you can just go to File, Save, to save the smart object, and then you can close the smart object by clicking the X on that tab. And we can close the design too. And you'll see it added the design in the frame just like that. And next we want to turn the backgrounds on. So we'll just click this little box next to the backgrounds layer in the layers panel. And then if you click the little arrow in the backgrounds layer, it'll expand the layer group and you'll see the 6 backgrounds. You can just click the eye icon in the different layers to toggle through the backgrounds. And then when you find the one you want to use, you can just save it by going to File, Save As. If you want to use this online in a thumbnail like on Etsy or another site, you'll want to save a JPEG version. You might also want to save a copy as a layered Photoshop file. If you do that, perhaps rename it a different name for each design so you'll have different layered Photoshop files. And please let me know if you have any questions by messaging me at melissabmockups.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll get updates to future videos. This mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you and have a great night.